Welcome back to my office. I'd like to follow up on my last video. In that video, I mentioned that people who stop learning think they can coast and stand still and be okay. And in actuality, those people are going backwards because everything in life is in perpetual forward movement. And today's professional needs to be advancing themselves with a synergy of what's new and fresh and innovative, along with what's tried and true and proven. And one of the references from the latter category is the book, The 1 Minute Manager. I got my first copy of that book from my Uncle Guido. Back in 1982, when the book was published, AT&T bought a copy for all their managers. It's where my Uncle Guido worked. And he had an extra copy, so he gave one to his nephew. And I was the benefactor of the first edition of The 1 Minute Manager. And my copy is a little torn and tattered. As you can see, I've loaned it out over the years to a few people. And newer editions look like this. You can see the coloration difference between the two. I give these out to clients who have not read it before because it's a good reference. And in the 1 Minute Manager, the whole concept is interpersonal communication between managers and workers. That when a manager is prepared, they can be more concise when they speak to an employee about a 1 minute praising, a 1 minute goal setting, or a 1 minute reprimand. The insight in the book is timeless, and the book is real thin. So it's a fast read and easy to get into. Now, something from the new and fresh and innovative category is the book, The One Thing by Gary Keller. Are you seeing a pattern here with the number 1? And this book is real interesting. And Gary Keller in this book focuses on concepts that enable people to cut through the clutter and get focused when they're experiencing task overload, which is where many people find themselves today. And what I found most refreshing about the book was the holistic approach it took to mental focus. It involves mental attitude, physiological ideas, nourishment ideas, attitudinal ideas. It was real holistic in the approach and very innovative. And companies that have this synergy of merging what's new and fresh and innovative with the tried and true and proven ideas are doing better in a year like this where we've experienced lots of chaos. And among my clients, the companies who are doing the best focus on 4 key strategies for their company culture. And those 4 key strategies is what I will cover in my next video. So I hope you're having a great day. You know that I am, and I will continue to do so.